Hey guys, it's Uncle and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool resonant bass using pigments, some comp filtering, some really cool techniques. Very simple bass design, very awesome sound that you can use. So without talking any longer, let's go into FL Studio, open up Pigments, and show you guys what it's all about. So here I got Pigments opened. I'm going to select new presets. We're in an initialized patch. So what we can hear is a sine wave, which is what we don't want. So I'm going to select here analog, and I want some saws because that's what we're going to be working with today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lower 2 octaves here in the master tuning. So that sounds very subby. I'm going to add a second oscillator and add it 1 octave up. And we're going to detune it quite a bit so it has like sort of drifting effect. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to select the comp filter here. I'm going to add some keyboard tracking. And it already sounds very harsh, very metallic. So I'm going to go here to LFO1. I'm going to first select and make it unipolar. I'm going to make the symmetry something like this. I'm going to make it in a rate of 1/4. And I'm going to automate here by clicking on this bar here. I'm going to just add 1% of movement. I'm going to remove a little bit of that resonance. I'm going to go here. I'm going to add some modulation to the volume as well. There we go. Really nice resonance. That sounds in key. We can also add some white noise. I'm going to add a second filter here, but this time it's going to be a high pass with some resonance as well. Something like that sounds really cool. I'm going to add a sub here, which is going to be a triangle. I'm going to set it to here to master direct out. I'm going to set it to be 2 octaves down. I'm going to automate as well here the volume of the sub. I'm going to add a second LFO here, which is going to go up. So I'm going to select this, set it to sort of this shape, adjust the phase so that it goes up. Maybe have it like this. Yeah, that sounds really awesome. We can also like do some FM things. Like for example, we can have this be 2 octaves up. Have this be unipolar. That sounds really cool. You're going to add some multi-band compression or some OTT, whatever you want to call it. And now there's a lot of high ends. I'm gonna go here, select the multiband filter. I'm gonna create a nice little automation here. I'm gonna have it be before the multiband compressor. I'm gonna add some tonal delay as well, so I'm gonna crank up the dry wet. I'm gonna set it to time. I'm gonna have this be automated as well by the LFO. It has some really nice distortion here, as well as some really cool stereo effect. I'm gonna click here on FXB. I want to add some distortion. And we'll add some very, very low amount of reverb just to fill up the space. And we can also play around with like the macros here with the rate. We can play around with the FM amount. We can play around here with the symmetry. And just really fine tune the sound to the way you want it to be. You can always change the comb here. And that's a really, really, really easy, short way to make some really cool resonant bass patches using Pigments. Very easy. You can apply this technique to any other VSC that has comb filtering. It's really simple. Use a saw, comb filter, some processing, and there you have it. Really cool metallic bass sound. So if you guys like this video, always like and subscribe. It really helps out keep the channel alive. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay active. Be awesome. Until next time, bros. Peace out.